This is my continuation in recitation in Rule 10, Traffic Separation Scheme. This rule applies to traffic separation scheme adopted by the organization and does not relieve any vessel of her obligation under any other rule. Section B, a vessel using a traffic separation scheme shall first proceed in traffic lane in the general direction of traffic flow for that lane. Section 2, so far as practicable, keep clear of a traffic separation line or separation zone. 3. Normally join or leave a traffic lane at the termination of the lane, but when joining or leaving from either side shall do so at a small angle to the general direction of traffic flow as practicable. Section C, a vessel shall, so far as practicable, avoid crossing traffic lanes, but if obliged to do so, shall cross on a heading as nearly as practicable at right angles to the general direction of traffic flow. Section D, a vessel shall not use an inshore traffic zone when she can safely use the appropriate traffic lane within the adjacent traffic separation scheme. However, vessels of less than 20 meters in length, sailing vessels, and vessels engaged in fishing may use the inshore traffic zone. 2. Notwithstanding subparagraph, a vessel may use an inshore traffic zone when en route to or from a port, offshore installation or structure, pilot station, or any other place situated with the inshore traffic zone or toll. Avoid immediate danger. Section E, a vessel other than crossing vessel or a vessel joining or leaving shall not normally enter a separation zone or cross a separation line except Section 1, in case of emergency to avoid immediate danger. Section 2, to engage in fishing within a separation zone. Section F, a vessel in navigating areas near the terminations or traffic separation shall do so with particular caution. Section G, a vessel shall, so far as practicable, avoid anchoring in traffic separation scheme or in areas near its terminations. Section H, a vessel not using a traffic separation scheme shall avoid it by as wide as margin as practicable. Section I, a vessel engaged in fishing shall not impede the passage of any vessel following the traffic lane. Section J, a vessel of less than 20 meters in length or a sailing vessel shall not impede the safe passage of a power-driven vessel or following a traffic lane. Section K, a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver when engaged in an operation for the maintenance of safety of navigation in a traffic separation scheme is exempted from complying with these rules to extent necessary to carry out the operation. Section L, a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver when engaged in operations for delaying servicing or picking up a submarine cable within a traffic separation scheme is exempted from complying with this rule to extent necessary to carry out the operation.